Okay, kindergarten, so in our science journal, what we're going to do is we are first going to predict what happens to an ice cube. Oh dear. My big marker is not working very well. I guess I better use my other marker. Here we go. We're going to take an ice cube. Okay? When I take an ice cube, there we go. If I have an ice cube and I hold my ice cube, it's still an ice cube. If I put it on my head, still an ice cube. It doesn't change shape. I put it in my hand, it really doesn't change shape. But what we're going to do is we are going to predict what happens when we add heat to an ice cube. So to kind of do this process a little fast, what we're going to do is we are going to take our hands and we're going to rub our hands really, really hard and really, really fast. So I want you to think about if I have an ice cube, and remember using our ABCDs of science: accurate, big, colorful, and detailed. So if I have an ice cube, and I'm going to label it ice cube, ice cube, and then I'm going to draw a picture of my hands. And I'm going to have my other hand here. And I'm going to show that I'm rubbing them together. Rub, 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 rub. If I rub my hands together, what's going to happen to my ice cube? You can use words or a picture to do your prediction. So we're going to add heat to our ice cube. And for this experiment, like I said, you are going to rub, 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 rub your hands really, really fast together. And then ask mom or dad, you may want to put a towel down on the table. Rub your hands really fast together. And then I'd like you to take an ice cube. And I want you to put your ice cube in your hands. I want you to put both hands over the ice cube. I can feel something happening to my ice cube. What do you think is happening to your ice cube? I want you to give it a try, and then down here, draw a picture. I'm not going to show you what's happening to my ice cube. I'm going to go put it over here because I don't want to ruin the fun. Okay? I want you to then, as you are holding your ice cube, you can open your hands and look inside so you can see what's happening to your ice cube, and then put your hands back together so that we have lots of heat going onto our ice cube. Then you can open your hands again to see what's happening to your ice cube. Then I would like you to draw down here what happened to your ice cube. So I want you to find out, when we add heat to something, what can it do to a solid, and what does it turn it into? So this is your experiment for today. You'll need to ask mom and dad to help you a little bit with that. Can't wait to see what's in your science journal. After you have drawn and answered the question, or drawn the picture down here of draw what happened to the ice cube, take a picture of that, take a screenshot of that, and then you can upload that into Schoology. Have a great afternoon.